morning. It's about 10:30 right now. I feel like creating a makeup look. I couldn't sleep. I've been up since like 5:40 today and I just can't freaking sleep. I want to do like a green look, like a Thanksgiving look. Do you ever have like a makeup look like in mind and then at the same time you're like, fuck, should I freaking create it, should I not? Anywho, I want to do a green fucking makeup look today, so that's what we're gonna freaking do. I'm gonna start with like at 5:40. Great. Starbucks, if you don't know, well, at least in my town, I don't know about anybody else's, but they open at 3. I got a peppermint hot chocolate, extra hot with peppermint cold foam, and then I added 2 pumps of hazelnut and then a dash of cinnamon. So it's so good. It tastes like nutmeg on like freaking arroz con leche. Oh, so good. So here we are trying to create a video. I haven't been here for about 24 hours, so I haven't been in front of a camera for 24 hours. So here we are. I want to do a Thanksgiving festive holiday look for Thanksgiving. I know last year I drove to LA to spend it with my other family, and I do have family in LA, but this year I just want to keep it local, just be here. I have a whole week off, so I just, you know, I just want to be here. Okay, am I doing Friday shopping? Hell no. I'm gonna do Cyber Monday because Cyber Monday is just better shit than going in foot. Anyways guys, I'm rambling. Let's just get right into the video. Before you get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, hit the fucking notification bell so you get notified whenever that I post a video. There's my DoorDash. So she did a great, let's just get right into the video. I want to do like a very festive holiday look. Festive Thanksgiving. I don't know if you can see my nails, you guys. I'm always getting questions of what my nails look like. They're very Christmassy. I have a bows on the middle, pinky, and my I did my nails on just in case you want to know. So no, I don't do them on anybody else, probably only my sister. Can you guys hear my sister's cat? She's going fucking crazy. By the way, I just had breakfast. I did have my McDonald's. I was friggin' starving. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I love working with color. I love working with blues, purples, reds, like colors that normally people don't gravitate to. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna use the Anastasia concealer. This is in the shade number 10. Oh my god, my sister's cat is the most annoying freaking cat that was ever freaking born. Can y'all hear her? We might get rid of her and like actually get her to the shelter because my sister is really not taking care of her and I'm not gonna be cat mom again. If I was to get a new animal, it obviously had to be a dog because I love my dog and I will honestly prefer another dog over a cat. By the way, I got questions of what beauty sponge I always use. I always use this one. This is a Juno & Co. beauty sponge. I got a vanilla latte iced from McDonald's. It tastes like shit. I watched the Shane Dawson video with Jeffree and I was so freaking upset. If you guys haven't watched that video, sorry, but I'm just about to spoil it for you. They didn't put out a palette that they were going to put out and it pissed me off because a green, it was like a green, like a halo green shade. Anyways, let's get into the shit. Like, I'll get into it, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my conspiracy palette because why the fuck not? So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this minty green shade, which is called What's the Tea. Before everybody starts talking shit, why am I using the palette? Like, if you don't like Shane Dawson, that's totally on you. I freaking love the man. So I was watching the series that he put out with Jeffree. You guys, I cried so hard because I feel like, well, one of the reasons why was, I'm this old, you guys, but Jeffree ruled freaking MySpace. If you remember that era, like, shout out to you. What made me so sad was that he announced that he was quitting YouTube. He was the reason why I became so comfortable with myself. Doing things how you want to do it, don't do them because everybody else is doing them. If you have been on YouTube or watching YouTube for like a long time, you guys know that the makeup industry kind of went down. Yes, we know that. It's like this palette, I freaking love this palette. It's probably expired at this point. But the point of me bringing that up, I grew up watching him and I didn't think I would ever see the day where he would come out and say that he was quitting YouTube. It made me super sad. That was the point of my whole freaking rant. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Utopia palette from NYX and I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's a matte shade. It's like a rusty grayish greenish shade. Pack it on the crease. Do you see the difference that made? Like, it just makes the color pop out even more. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Morphe palette from Jaclyn Hill. This is the Dark Magic palette. Take this green shade right there. It looks like Gaga. And then it's called Potion, by the way. You guys, something about green, like for Thanksgiving, gets me in the fucking mood to like celebrate Thanksgiving. I don't know what it is about greens and blues, like in the winter, like freaking winter Christmas. Like, I don't know what it is, but it just gets me fucking horny for Christmas. So I'm just adding that shade to my crease and putting it a little bit more tightly into the crease. I want to know the debate, because I always have people who tell me they like turkey and other people say they hate turkey and prefer ham. I freaking hate ham. Ham is disgusting. It reminds me of fucking bologna and it's disgusting. I fucking love turkey. I cannot do ham. Like, it's just disgusting. I can't do ham. Another debate as well that mom says that we're weird because I fucking hate stuffing. Like, it makes me freaking gag. I heave looking at it. I can't. It's disgusting. I cannot do stuffing. Ugh, me da asco. When I was younger, you guys, my dad would make us, like, force us to eat our food. Dad was a savage. He would like get the spoon and like shove it in our mouth. Stuffing was always the most disgusting shit I think ever was created for Thanksgiving. So when my dad wasn't looking, I would literally grab a whole cup and like shove a spoon in my mouth, like gag for a little bit and swallow the whole shit porque it's disgusting. I just freaking hate stuffing. It's with a freaking passion. It's like mierda for me. I'm gonna take this one right here. It's called Inside Job. Is it me, or does it feel like no one wants to do like makeup videos anymore? You know, I'm focusing a lot of this onto the outer corner, and that's intentional, you guys. You guys will see. I kind of want to do like a round, not winged at all, but like I want to do a round eye. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take the green shade again, this shitty shade again. So I'm gonna go in the crease. So I'm going to take the Anastasia Prism palette and I'm going to take this green right there. It's called Throne. Such a gorgeous shade. My extra ass is going to go above the limit, and I really want to take that yellow shade right there and just pop it into like the inner corner. Ready to apply my lashes, give me the full freaking effect. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. These are the AOA Pro Bionic Vegan Mink Lashes. They're like $5, you guys, so I'll link the link down below. You know, my freaking memory is running low, so I really need to like hurry the fuck up. So I got this in PR, you guys. I got it from CeraVe. They sent it to me. CeraVe, whatever the fuck you want to call it. They sent me this. This is the Broad Spectrum Skin Renewing Day Cream with Sunscreen. It has retinol in here as well. So this was sent to me. I have used it a couple times and it's actually really, really good. It makes my skin look so good, especially over foundation. It does have sunscreen, so I don't have to worry about a foundation that doesn't have any sunscreen. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer right here. I've been using this primer non-stop. I just opened this one like a couple days ago. This is the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It reminds me of the Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. It's almost the exact same shit, honestly, probably different packaging, or at least that's what I'm thinking. For foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same combo that I used the last time I did my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. I got the shade 225 and 230. You just take a freaking finger or the back of a brush or something just to put this on my face, because I don't have the pump on here. So I don't have the pump for this just yet. I have to go to MAC and get that. I haven't done that. And this foundation combo just gives me like the perfect shade. Like, my face gets dry as fuck, so I really have to use like a very dewy, hydrating foundation. So I feel like this one does a really good job in keeping my face feeling dewy, but not really dewy where it's like greasy and falling off my fucking cara. I was supposed to be going to Seattle with my really good friend, but I couldn't make it, so we were scheduled going to Puerto Rico next year for my sister's birthday. I was so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and warm up my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. This is the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Foundation, the Halo Glow Liquid Foundation from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I take the dark one, you guys. I use the shade number 8. I just use this to freaking contour my skin, and I absolutely love it for that. I prefer to use a freaking foundation or to contour my face, just because I feel like it's a lot more easier to work with, blends a lot easier for me, just because, you know, I'm using a foundation over a foundation, so it just blends a whole lot better. This is the Maybelline 30 Hour Stay Concealer. I really like this freaking concealer, you guys. I don't think it lasts 30 hours to be honest, but it does last quite a bit, and these are the only spots where I do add my concealer and to even out the concealer. So I'm gonna use a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter banana powder. So I'm gonna bronze my skin, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the KVD Shade and Light palette. Yes, it's still the OG. I still love it. I use it almost every single day still. If I love something, I will keep using it. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin. Do you see the difference that it gives, like this side from this side? It just gives it more depth to the hollows of my cheeks. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some blush. Go ahead and use this one today. This is the Milani Cheek Kiss Cream Blush. I'm using shade Coral Crush, which is number 120. What's left over on the brush, I like to go still on the bridge of my nose. For the lower lash, I'm going to go ahead and grab one which is called Inside Job. So I'm going to grab this Kaka shade, blend this out. I'm gonna add some liner. My favorite one is this one, you guys. I'm gonna add the Maybelline Eye Studio. This is the brown shade. I'm gonna go ahead and add this brown just to make my eye color pop out even more. So I'm gonna add this to my waterline. So I'm going to put on some blush. I'm going to go ahead and take this one. This is a Chanel blush. This is the shade number 55. It's called In Love. This looks like that. It is such a pretty, cute, pinkish, corally color. It's so, so pretty. Kind of broke in the center, but it's okay. It still does the job. I think I over applied as always. It's okay. I'll just blend it out. Last but not least is lips. So let me wipe my lips off. So I'm going to keep the lips very, very basic. I'm going to say I'm using this lip liner. This is from LA Colors. This is in the shade Cappuccino. And then I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss right here. This is the BH Cosmetics in the shade Juicy. Really obsessed with how it actually looks. Don't mind my fat arm. This is the finished look, you guys. I like how it makes my eyes look very brown. I'm very excited for Thanksgiving. Let me know if you guys are excited for Thanksgiving as I am. My fucking Mexican family will cook pozole, tamales. Some people don't like turkey, so they cook ham, which is I'm for sure gonna be eating tamales, pozole, enchiladas, like freaking turkey, mashed potatoes, like I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the look right here. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what video suggestions you guys have. Also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the damn notification bell down below so you get notified whenever it is that I post a new video. And if you want to know all the chisme in my life, make sure to check out my Instagram and all my social medias. I'll leave them right here for you guys because I know we're chismosas. I know I'm not the only fucking chismosa in here. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and I'll see you guys in Vlogmas. Bye guys.